Hi there everyone, my name is Carmela Baylon. In this video, you are going to learn about the types of nouns. But before we jump into the lesson, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always get notified every time I upload new videos. Now, let's get to the lesson. You have learned that noun is a name of a person, a thing, an animal, a place, an event, and an idea. I have uploaded a video about nouns, so if you want to check it out, you can find it here. This time, you are going to learn about the types of nouns. There are several types of nouns, but in this video, we are going to talk about the two types of nouns, which are the common noun and the proper noun. The common nouns refer to the general names of persons, animals, things, places, and events. Again, it's the general names. Example of common nouns are the word teacher, which refers to a person. Another example of a common noun, the word cat, which is a name of an animal. Another word is toothpaste, which is a name of a thing. And the word school, which is a name of a place. All of these words are general names, right? So they are common nouns. The proper nouns talk about specific names of persons, animals, things, places, and events. Again, it's a specific name. Let's use the examples we had earlier for the common nouns, just so you see the difference between the common nouns and the proper nouns. Example of proper noun for teacher is Teacher Carmela. That's my name. You see, proper noun is a specific name of a teacher. Let's use these nouns in a sentence. I have a new teacher. The word teacher is a common noun. There are many teachers, right? Teacher Carmela is my new teacher. The name Teacher Carmela is a proper noun. It's a specific name of a teacher. Do you see the difference? Another common noun is girl. Do you know a girl's name? I know a lot of girls' names. Some of them are Sophia, Anna. That girl is so polite. The word girl is a common noun. There are lots of girls, right? That girl is Sophia. Now the name Sophia is a proper noun. It's a specific name of a girl. Anna is a good friend. The name Anna is a proper noun. It's another name of a girl, right? Now there's another noun in this sentence, and it's the word friend. But the word friend is a common noun. There are many people that you can call friend, right? Another common noun is the word brother. And a proper noun for brother could be Nathaniel or James. Those are names of boys, right? I have a new brother. The word brother is a common noun. It refers to a person that is a boy. Nathaniel is my brother. The name Nathaniel is a proper noun. It's a specific name of a brother. James is my classmate. James is another example of proper noun. It's a specific name of a person. The word classmate in this sentence is a common noun. It refers to a person, but it doesn't give a specific name. Let's have a proper noun for cat. A proper noun for cat could be Hades. That's the name of our cat. What about you? Do you know any cat's name? We have a cat. The word cat is a common noun. It's a name of an animal. Our cat is named Hades. So Hades is a proper noun. It's the name of our cat. Now let's have the word toothpaste. Some proper nouns for toothpaste could be Colgate, Sensodyne. Those are specific names of toothpaste, right? Do you know other proper nouns for toothpaste? My mother bought a toothpaste. In this sentence, the words mother and toothpaste are both common nouns. There are lots of mothers and lots of toothpastes, right? My sister uses Colgate. The word sister is a common noun. It refers to a person, but it doesn't give a specific name of a sister, right? The word Colgate is a proper noun. It's a specific name of a toothpaste. My dentist gave me Sensodyne. Again, the word dentist is a common noun. It refers to a person. And the word Sensodyne is a proper noun. It's another specific name of a toothpaste. Another common noun is school. One example of proper noun of school is St. Francis College. It's a specific name of a school. There's a new school in the city. There are two common nouns in this sentence. The words school and city. They both refer to a place. I went to St. Francis College. The name St. Francis College is a proper noun. It's a specific name of a school. Is the common noun and proper noun clear to you now? One more thing. Notice that all proper nouns start with capital letter. That's how we write proper nouns. Just like how you write your own name, right? Because your name is a proper noun. Always write proper nouns beginning with capital letter. So that's all for the common and proper nouns. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. And if it did, please don't forget to click the like icon so that other people can also find this video. Now, if you have a comment or suggestion of other topics for my next video, please type them in the comment section below. Thank you, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!